everyone. Scott coming to you live. I'm in my easy chair today. It's Sunday. Affiliate marketing, you don't really have to go many places to do it. Just you need your phone, computer. But I just want to do a little refresher here. As you know, tomorrow for our $500 L500 members. Okay, as you can see, the L500 members are going to get my email training. That's tomorrow at 7 p.m. I got a nice new tip and tool that I'm going to show you that I use and been using for years now. Powerline Hub back office. These are the steps you want to start. If you're in this Facebook group and you have not done this yet, watch the video. You're already in the Facebook group. Join the Telegram group. Click the level of what group you're in. For example, it's going to show you like this. I'm at the 1,000. It's going to take me there. It's going to take me there. Okay. And I'm going to share this tab again right here, and we're going to take you back into Powerline Hub. So you have your additional income streams, but most importantly, you want to make sure you're upgraded to 100, 250, 500, or 1,000 right here so you can get leads. Yes, that's correct. If you come down over here on the tab on the left, you're going to see the leads tab, right? And then when we go to your leads, we'll show you that while we're here. Whatever package you get leads with it, and your contacts are all going to be over here. These are contacts that opted in. I'll show you that in a minute, but let me show you my what do you call that? How to filter this. So you want to come to your leads. You see leads because I'm at the 1,000. I got 2,500 leads. 2191 is left because we have the unsubscribes, which is great. Okay, so right here you have all these leads. You can export them into a CSV file. And I teach you at the L500 level, right? I teach you at the L500 level how to email these, okay? And I'm going to show you how now to build any business, really, how to get more leads tomorrow night into your Powerline Hub. But for now, let me show you. You got to be at the L500. So you're going to come down here. You're going to click here, and since it's going to say I'm fully upgraded at the 1,000, you're going to have options right here where you can there'll be 100, 250, 500 with an explanation as to what everything is. But after you do that, you're going to want to get eyeballs, right? And that's why we have the leads. That's why we have the email training. You want to get eyeballs to your Powerline Hub business. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to your pages, okay? And now these are pages, and I'm going to show you what category to go to promote the Powerline Hub. I don't want to confuse you right now with all the other income streams in the back. We're 100% right now focusing on Powerline Hub. So you're going to go to categories, and you're going to go to Powerline Hub, okay? You're going to click on that, and that's going to pop up. What you're going to want to use is this capture page. Instant 100, 500, instant 1,000, 500, 250, and $100 commissions. You're going to want to use this here, and I'll show this on the screen. Very high converting. And what happens here is when someone puts their name, their email, their phone number in there, guess what? They're going to show up where? They're going to show up in your leads tab right here. Get back to leads. You're going to click on leads. So you're going to go to leads. You're going to go to sort filter, and you're going to go to Powerline Hub. Okay. And these are all the leads. These are the members you have. And these are the leads, and these are the members. So you're going to go to, these are the members. These are the leads I generated through the Powerline Hub system. My other leads were outside of the Powerline Hub system. But now all I use is this capture page right here that I just showed you, okay, to get eyeballs to my business. All right. And it's going to be under here. These are all your leads are going to be under Powerline Hub. They're all leads. And you could see, you're going to be able to see if it's green, they're opening emails. Yes, because we do the email follow-up for you. So let's get the members area. You can see your statistics here, your page views, how many emails we sent on your behalf. Now, what I like about this is when you come down here, all right, you're going to see YouTube. You're going to see training and bonuses right here. All right. And I'm going to take you right down to here. Where is it? Email your leads. You see that? So this is in training and bonuses. Email your leads. So you're going to click here. then you're going to click email your leads. It's going to open in another tab. Just so you know what a tab is when I go from here in the same Google Chrome to here, okay? And I'm not going to do it for speed purposes here, but you could put a subject line here, come down here, and you can email your opt-in leads, okay? So you would email your Powerline hub, okay? All right? Or you could check all, and if you do all these other ones, the system will take out the ones that should not be emailing, okay? So that's how you email that. So that's another tool that you have within the Powerline hub to use 1 hour a day that we teach you, okay? And then it's pretty self-explanatory. Thumb through all this. The YouTube ranking courses here, I actually use this, and if you look at my YouTube channel now, it's cranking up. So I would follow these steps here, watch these videos if you like videos. If you don't like videos, we have traffic, and this is what traffic authority. And this is what I wanted to touch on, traffic authority, because this is the most automated way that you're able to get eyeballs to your Powerline hub capture page right here. Okay. And then let us, the Powerline hub, do all the email follow-up, which we do. Okay. So let's take you back over here. Okay. So we're going to go into the traffic authority right here. All right. We're going with the traffic authority. You're going to click on this, and all you're going to do is, if you're already a TA member, log in here. If not, click here to get started, and you're going to place a traffic order. How are you going to do that? I'm going to walk you through that right now. You're going to create your account. That's self-explanatory, but I want to show you what I use. You want to always have a tracking link, okay? Even though Powerline Hub right here tracks all your links, I'm going to take you over here to my Bitly, and I have a free Bitly account, okay? So we're going to come here. We're going to go share this instead. We're going to go to Bitly. We're going to go to Powerline Hub. All right. And then when you go to Powerline Hub, just click on this and then come up here. This is going to tell me I have one because it's the same link. And then you're going to hit enter. Boom. View your existing link. As you can see, I use this link already in my Powerline Hub. Okay. And as you can see, I have engagements on here once it loads up. I have 137 engagements. So this is a link I share when I share my Powerline Hub. All right. So that's it, folks. All right. If you got any value out of this, make sure you comment value and you smash the heart on this. I'm going to tag everyone here. Other than that, all get moving here. Powerline Hub trainings resume tomorrow, Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern with the email training. Third Monday. Get into the Powerline Hub. Make sure you're upgraded, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Have a great Sunday, folks. Bye for now.